day 40 of not having a mid-engine Corvette. Just a normal day at work. Didn't find no money side of the road or anything. Nobody brought me no money. Nobody brought me a Corvette. So let's talk about flip-flops today. These my old trusty flip-flops. They Corona. The good kind of Corona. I've had them a long time. They are wore out. So my buddy, and I've been having feet problems. Y'all know I got my feet problems. Y'all don't want to hear about that. So my buddy at work, my buddy at work had to buy me a new pair. So he convinced me to buy these $49 pair. Shot out to Mark Temple. And these OOFOS. I think that's how you spell it. They feel good. I'm finna go for a walk for them and everything. But $49 for flip flops, but I think they're worth it if they help my old feet. They sure were. That sweet girl. That's her kitty cat, sweet girl. She is a sweet girl. She's the only girl cat here at the house, which they're all fixed anyway. So she's just chilling out here outside in this nice fall day. It's fall, y'all. Fall. All right. She's rubbing her head. Yep. And she's trying to let me know she's ready to come in. But shout out to Mark Temple for looking out for me. And we're gonna try them out up the road here in just a minute. And look, y'all be careful, have fun. Find me a mid-engine Corvette. I'll take a wreck one, but just minor damage. You know, I drive with fenders, with the front end off of it. It don't matter to me. You know, help me out. Look out for me. You know, look out for me. All right, y'all have fun. Be careful. It is absolutely insane out there, and be safe. All right, talk to you later.